अभी हमारा जो NRF रैंकिंग है वो 7 गया है।
I guess CNLU will be the leading performer.
It can be make much better from this.
How would you describe the overall learning environment here?
प्रोफेसर्स के पास आप कभी भी उनको अप्रोच करके जा सकते हो एंड दे आर वेरी फ्रेंडली, दे आर वेरी कॉर्डियल, दे डू एड्रेस एवरी सिंगल डाउट ऑफ योर्स।
I feel like the seniors and every professor has acceptance toward every one of us regardless of gender or any background.
Campus is full of everything. Like if you wanted to go in the sports, if you wanted to study, or if you wanted to do another creative things in other fields, so we have ample of opportunity.
Overall learning environment, I would say that it has been changing over years since Faizan sir has been here. It has been changing. He is trying to inculcate the research environment in our college, which is very impressive.
Faculties are supporting and seniors are also supporting, and the libraries which we have access, resources, everything is nice.
I was very skeptical before coming here because the college is obviously in Bihar. But after coming here, I got to know no, it's like the other all NLUs present in our country. It's also good. The learning environment is also good here.
What do you take on the overall infrastructure here?
Infrastructure is somewhat mismanaged because कभी-कभी waterlogging हो जाती है. But overall, I was very fascinated when I entered the college. But only the problem is कि boys hostel के आसपास थोड़ा सा waterlogging का issue.
Expectations थोड़ी कम थी, उसके कंपैरिजन में इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बहुत अच्छा है। अभी हमारा हॉल भी बन रहा है, इट्स ऑलमोस्ट रेडी, और एम्फी थिएटर भी है, न्यू ही बन रहा है।
Infrastructure is like fantastic. Like the sitting areas and the playing courts, etc. all are fun.
It can be make much better from this. लेकिन ठीक है, मतलब बुरा नहीं है.
Do you think it competes with top NLUs like Nalsar Hyderabad or NLSIU Bangalore?
Not currently, but certainly in the future, as because अभी ranking के accordingly it has been ranked 7th among all the NLUs, and also इसका ranking धीरे-धीरे बहुत ही अच्छा होते जा रहा है।
CNLU makes a difference from other NLUs that it's liberal. There are student bodies who run that, and in every decision there is a say of the students here.
Honestly, I think so far the focus of CNLU has been on the judges or the government examinations. But after the 3-year judgment, I guess CNLU will be the leading performer in corporate and all the in-house lawyers, etc.
वो बहुत पहले एस्टैब्लिश हुए हैं। सबसे पहले NLS हुआ था, देन नालसर आया, तो उसमें कंपैरेटिवली हमारा जो CNLU है अभी नया है, बट वी आर ट्राइंग आवर बेस्ट। जैसे कि अभी हमारा जो NRF रैंकिंग है वो 7 गया है, सो लाइक इन द फ्यूचर आई एम श्योर दैट वी विल एबल टू कम्पीट विद देम एट अ पार लेवल।